Hello everyone, welcome to the third pandas tutorial. I am Ved and today I am going to tell you guys about the data types of your data frame. So if you remember from the previous videos, we do have a data frame MDF and there are some columns. So to print the name of the column you can use info method, and it is simply going to print general info about your data frame. So yes, you can see there are total 11 columns. The record number, I mean how much rows are in a particular column, they are null or not null, and their data type. As you can see that retailer country, order method type, to products. I mean these are the objects. I mean pandas is reading them as an object, and here this whatever data, whatever rows are in this column, EF column, they all are integer 64. They all are of data type integer. Okay, and here you can see revenue is in float 64. So that's how you can print the general info about your data frame. And there is one more method which is MDF which is dtypes. Yeah, dtypes, and it is only going to print the data type of your data frame. So here you can see this is the same output like this one, this. So that's how you can print the data type of your data frame. And in next video I will show you guys how you can rename the column name. Like here there are spaces in column names, as you can see, and spaces are not good, believe me. So we need to change the column names, and I'm going to show it in next video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.